In this video, I will show you how to assign a drive letter to a drive. As you can see, here my drive letter is C, D, E, F, G. I want it to be G, but it's H. How to change that? Hello and welcome to Techweeky channel. This is Ahmad, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change a drive letter. Press the start button on your keyboard and type this PC. Right click on that and go to manage, and here, as you can see here, find disk management, and here you can see C, D, E, H, and you won't see my CD drive F because it's a virtual drive and it's created by my ISO, I think, or Ultra ISO. Okay, right click on the drive you want to change its letter and go to change drive letter and path and remove that. A warning will be shown to you, and just click on yes. As you can see, the drive hides from here. Okay, how to get it back? Just again right click on the device that you remove the drive letter, click on change drive letter and add a new letter here. As you can see, AB is for floppy drive or a memory card reader, but I want to put G here and click on OK. As you can see, G, C, D, E, F, G, and that's it. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you don't, you know what to do. Hit the dislike button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my future videos.